Hello everyone, I'm Olivier, CMO from Altair. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new feature in Beta 8. It's called Magic Clipboard. Until now, you could add files and folders to Altair either by doing a right-click or by drag and drop those elements directly into the notch. But today, it's going to change. With Magic Clipboard, you can now just copy and paste any files or folder directly into Altair. But we are not stopping here. With Apple keyboard shortcuts, you can easily paste one or multiple screenshots into Altair. Let's see how it works. Here, I'm browsing some financial information and I would like to extract those revenue tables. I just have to take a screenshot of those tables and paste them into Altair. We automatically extract text and data from the screenshot. And now, I'm going to ask Altair to extract those information into a CSV. Extract those information into a CSV. Here we are. The data has been extracted and is ready to be manipulated. Another great feature of Magic Clipboard is paste into context. Here I am on my Notion page, and I can just add a bullet list. Add a bullet list of the following elements. Record the video, edit the video, publish the video. And it's done. Magic Clipboard is available starting today in Altair Beta 8. See you next week.